Every single day, giant factories produce millions of crispy ice cream cones using machines that never stop running. But what really happens inside these giant factories before the cones reach your ice cream?
The journey of every crispy ice cream cone begins in massive wheat fields like these.
Millions of kilograms of wheat are harvested every day for food factories around the world.
These tiny grains will soon become crispy golden ice cream cones.
Inside giant flour mills, powerful machines grind wheat into smooth baking flour.
The smoother the flour, the crispier the final cone becomes.
After processing, the flour is transported directly to the cone factory. Every ingredient must be measured perfectly before production begins.
Giant automated systems prepare all ingredients with incredible precision. Sugar gives the cones their sweet flavor and golden color.
Special ingredients help create the crispy texture people love. These giant machines mix enough batter to produce millions of cones every day.
Within minutes, dry ingredients transform into smooth flowing batter.
Now the batter begins moving deeper into the factory for its most satisfying transformation. Powerful pumping systems keep the cone production line running non-stop. The batter must stay perfectly smooth before entering the baking machines. Every second, huge amounts of batter move through the factory automatically. Precision nozzles control exactly how much batter goes into every cone. In seconds, the batter transforms into thin, crispy wafers. These giant baking systems can produce thousands of cone wafers every hour.
The freshly baked wafers are extremely thin, hot, and delicate.
But the wafers still need one final transformation before becoming real cones. Watch closely as flat wafers instantly become crispy cone shapes. The rolling machines shape every cone with incredible speed and precision. Thousands of perfect cones are formed every single minute inside this factory.
At this stage, the cones are still warm from the baking process.
Cooling systems slowly remove heat to keep the cones perfectly crispy. But before packaging, every cone must pass strict quality inspection systems. Now every cone passes through advanced quality inspection systems. Only the best cones continue toward the final packaging stage. Every cone must stay perfectly crisp before packaging begins. Protective packaging keeps the cones fresh and crispy during transport. Every package is sealed automatically at incredible speed. Thousands of packaged cones leave the production line every single hour. Automated boxing systems prepare the cones for delivery around the world. Every box is scanned and tracked before shipment begins. From tiny grains of wheat to millions of crispy cones, the entire process happens non-stop every single day. After packaging, millions of cones are stored inside massive automated warehouses. Automated transport systems move products non-stop throughout the factory.
Every shipment is digitally tracked before leaving the warehouse.
Now the finished cones are ready to travel to stores around the world.
Inside every package are perfectly baked crispy cones ready for ice cream.
From liquid batter to crispy golden cones, every stage is controlled by giant automated machines. Advanced computer systems help control every stage of production. Even with automation, workers still inspect the cones carefully. Within hours, the finished cones are already heading toward stores worldwide. And this is the final result of the entire factory process. Millions of crispy cones are produced every day before finally becoming your favorite ice cream treat. Deep inside the factory, the baking machines continue running non-stop every second. The heated molds instantly flatten the batter into thin, crispy wafers. Hundreds of baking molds work together at incredible speed. The wafers are still warm and flexible during this stage. In just seconds, flat wafers transform into perfect crispy cones. The rolling process must happen quickly before the wafers cool down. Cooling systems help the cones become fully crisp and stable. After packaging, the cones begin their final journey through the massive warehouse. Inside every package are perfectly baked crispy cones ready for ice cream. Even with automation, workers still inspect the cones carefully by hand.
And this is how giant factories create the crispy cones used in your favorite ice cream treats.
From the factory, millions of cone packages begin their journey across the world. Every shipment is carefully secured before transportation begins. Fast delivery systems ensure cones reach stores while still fresh and crispy. Soon, the cones arrive at supermarkets and retail stores. Finally, the cones reach the hands of people everywhere.
And this is where the factory creation becomes a delicious dessert.
Every cone you enjoy started its journey inside a massive automated factory. Even at night, the factory continues producing without pause. Advanced systems monitor every cone produced in real time. And this is how millions of ice cream cones are made every single day. A new day begins in the world's largest ice cream cone factory. Every worker enters through strict safety and hygiene systems.
Every stage of production is monitored second by second.
Perfect measurement ensures every cone tastes exactly the same. Mixing is the foundation of every perfect crispy cone. Even a single drop of batter is carefully controlled. This factory operates like a perfectly synchronized machine.
From liquid batter to crispy cone in just minutes.
Only perfect cones make it to the final stage. Every shipment carries thousands of perfect cones to the world. A global system ensures cones reach every corner of the world. The factory ends where joy begins.
Every cone carries happiness from the factory to your hands.
This is how millions of ice cream cones are made every single day.